Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hardest Info Channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily rename your XIAOMI Sound Pocket speaker in your iPhone. So, first we need to enter settings, and now we have to go straight to Bluetooth. Now we have to tap this info icon, and here we have to tap on name over here. Now we can set a different name. We can add emotes, delete emotes, add text, delete text, etc. And when we are done, we have to tap done over here. Of course, we have in iOS 26 this tag icon. Now, if you want to bring back our name to the default one, we have to tap the X button here at first, and then this tag icon. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.